This guy makes $15,000 a month on YouTube without recording a single video. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true. He leverages other people's content while adding his unique touch. He focuses on curation, compiling videos from various creators that resonate with his niche audience. He spends his time searching for trending topics, popular clips, and engaging visuals. Using free editing software, he crafts compilations that capture attention and spark curiosity. This tactic not only saves time, but also allows him to sidestep the stress of creating content from scratch. He optimizes his video titles, descriptions, and tags for SEO, ensuring maximum visibility on YouTube. Engaging thumbnails attract clicks, increasing his chances of monetization. The secret lies in consistency and understanding the algorithm, tweaking his approach based on analytics to keep his audience engaged. Networking with other YouTubers boosts his reach, creating a community that benefits everyone involved. Ads and sponsorship opportunities roll in as his channel grows, providing a steady income stream. It's all about smart content management rather than traditional video creation. Embrace the strategies that work without reinventing the wheel.